I'm in Italy at the present moment. It's so peaceful and quiet. So I decided to go for a walk around the area, out of the town. Check out this view. It's beautiful being in nature. At the back, it's the sea, and the mountain is in the front. See all the houses. Not far from where I am in nature is the main road. This is it right there. Such a beautiful scenery. So this is southern Italy, Calabria. Down there is part of Vibo Marina. I am 10 minutes walk away from the town, but yet still I'm in nature. So as you can see, this beautiful backdrop behind me. How beautiful, man. So nice. And then there's the road, and then there's the hillside. This is the hillside, because I realized you guys couldn't see it in the video. Check this sun rising. The area I'm in is called Vibo Valentia in Calabria, in southern Italy. Influencers doesn't show you. And to be honest, it's a very beautiful area. I like it. You get everything. Imagine it's October and it's nice and warm. Beautiful property, so peaceful and quiet around here. I'm just showing you guys around the area. Check out this horse on this farm. So I'm still walking. It takes me half an hour to get to where I'm going. I'm going to visit the family abandoned property. It's my wife's family abandoned property. I'm going to check it out to see what it looks like. I came across a bridge and I can hear something like a river or a stream. Let me check it out to see. Ah, yeah. Down there. There's the river, or you can say stream. Oh, gorgeous, man. It's so overgrown. Let me zoom out. Yeah. Right there. This is the stream. So I was standing there. This is the other side of the bridge. See if I can get a more clear view of that stream. It's right there. Zoom in. That's it. Nice little river flowing. Welcome to nature. I'm leaving the bridge now. as you can see behind me. Listen. It's so peaceful and quiet. This is the life I've always wanted. One day. Yeah. And a lot of people in the world deserve this life as well. To live in tranquility. A love for nature. Look how lovely it is. With all the different terraces, olive trees and vineyard, a small vineyard, grapes, oak tree, a glimpse of the seaside through the trees. Down there is called Vibo Marina. When you're far away from the city, this is called a noise reduction. You don't hear the sound of cars. You don't even hear anyone. Only the sound of the rooster. There's another beautiful viewpoint. The day is getting brighter by the minute and you can see the sea. There's the village by the sea. Lovely. There's two roads. This one is going to the hillside and this one is going down to the family property. We have arrived at my wife's family abandoned property. This is the main gate to enter. I've just opened the gate behind me, but I will show you the property in another video. Thank you guys for watching.